Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
How are you today?
I'm doing very well. Thank you.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am learning English online.
Do you live here?
Yes, I recently moved here.
Is this your first time here?
No, I visit this place regularly.
How's your day going?
It's going great, thanks.
What do you do for work?
I work as an office assistant.
What's your phone number?
I'd rather keep it private.
Can I have your email?
You can contact me through social media.
Where do you work?
I work for a local company.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for nearly 2 years.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8 a.m.
Do you speak English well?
I'm getting better every day.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it from school and practice.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a short walk.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home around 7:30 a.m.
What do you do for lunch?
I usually eat lunch at a nearby cafe.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I spend time with my family.
What time do you have dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 9 p.m.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook several times a week.
What do you do in the evening?
I read books and watch videos.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I usually sleep 7 hours.
Do you work on weekends?
No, weekends are my free days.
What do you do on Saturday?
I relax and spend time outdoors.
Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, I sometimes visit friends.
Do you have a busy schedule?
Yes, my days are often busy.
How do you manage your time?
I use a planner to stay organized.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do during breaks?
I stretch and drink water.
How do you relax after work?
I listen to music and rest.
Do you have time for hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
What does your father do?
He runs his own business.
What about your mother?
She is a teacher.
Do your parents live nearby?
Yes, they live close to me.
How often do you see your family?
I see them several times a day.
Do you get along with your siblings?
Yes, we have a good relationship.
Are your grandparents still alive?
Yes, they are doing well.
Do you have many friends?
I have a small group of friends.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met at school.
What do you do with your friends?
We enjoy talking and going out.
Do you see your friends often?
Yes, I meet them regularly.
Do you keep in touch with old friends?
Yes, we stay connected online.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, I'm comfortable meeting new people.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.